Alright guys, what's going on? So, gonna do another quick video here. I'm gonna be installing a EZ lip basically, right? So, here's the product. I ordered it once again on Wish. So what I will be doing, you gotta prep the bottom of your bumper. I'm gonna be installing it right there. So I think what I'm going to do is I already prepped the bumper. It's already been all cleaned, washed. Everything's been rubbed off. So, I mean, let's be honest, my bumper's got a little bit of that wear and tear, but you know what? That's just part of it, right? Little bruise marks did nothing for the... Can't go bad with bruise marks. So, give me a second. Let me just set up and... let's install this bad boy. EZ lip out. What I will do is I will cut it to size once I have it up. The way I like it, the way it fits. We'll go from there. Alright? So, yeah, let's get started on this. And, yeah. Here it is, finished product. You know what? I like it.